So while Tyrone got us all going there, and he got us in that root vegetable kind of mood, Vaughnette Bigford, I don't know what she eats. I think right now she's on a vegetable and
I'm on a program. I'm trying to maintain a particular weight. That's it. So I'm eating. Yeah.
So we're getting, trying to stick within Vaughnette Bigford's line of programming.
Thank you very much.
We are doing a jerk provision skewer.
Wait, no meat?
No meat. No meat. This is all about the root vegetable.
Papa.
All about the root vegetables. I want you to eat some good carbs. You understand? So,
Already?
So guys, I have here dasheen, sweet potato, and then I have some plantain because I wanted a little sweet and balance, right? And I also have some lovely peppers for colors, some lovely bell peppers for colors. So all we did, I think we is really just to create a skewer. So we want to get the dasheen as the base, and then I want a little pop of color. And I forgot the beetroot. So I have some beetroot here.
Right.
So
we have all the ice, gold, and green colors going on there. Yes.
Reggae vibes.
And we didn't even think of it.
Didn't think of that, but it's reggae vibes going on here.
Of course.
It's reggae skewers going on
Full
here.
vibes, yeah.
I'm going to get next to my plantain.
Yes.
So it's really just to play with the skewer.
This is actually a really sexy way to eat provision.
It is a sexy way to eat it. I want another color of pepper to go there. And then I could do some beets.
Some beets, yeah.
Yeah, that didn't go on properly as I wanted it to. Yeah, another pepper. And then I want to do the sweet potato.
My favorite.
Yes.
I love a sweet potato.
Very healthy,
I love a sweet potato. Very healthy. So there you go. We have some skewers, and one of we not finished yet because I am going to make a nice, very flavorful spread to just kind of go over that I'm going to brush over it. So I have some sesame oil.
Very fragrant.
Some teriyaki sauce that I'm going to get in there.
All right. Let's see where you're going with this.
Yeah. And to that, I add my power ingredients for the night. I'm using the hot, but I'm just using a nice heaping teaspoon of the hot Grace jerk seasoning, our star ingredient for the night. And that's kind of just what we need, just to pull that together and let the oil emulsify nicely. I just kind of start brushing on quick brush, and I can start laying this on the grill.
I like the consistency, so it holds on to the skewer.
It holds on to and all the vegetables as well.
Yeah.
I'm just going to do a nice little brush here on my root vegetables, sweet potatoes, dasheen, plantain, all for Vaughnette Bigford.
Special.
And then you just do a nice little turn. Watch out those lovely grill marks. Yeah, you turn. Who said provisions is boring? 3 minutes on either side. I think I forgot to mention that. 3 minutes on either side, and your provisions will be nicely grilled and ready. And look at that, Vaughnette Bigford.
Beautiful.
Ital is vital.
Tyrone on a roll. Guys, let me tell you quickly what I'm doing here. I have a little. This is going to be some heat, so I have a little cool down session here for Vaughnette. This is some mild jerk, Grace jerk seasoning, some mayonnaise, some shadow benny. So it's a nice little jerk mayonnaise that we just gonna drizzle just all over it. Nothing too fancy. Yeah. Ooh. And Vaughnette Bigford.
Mercy Lord.
Do enjoy.
Ooh, Papa,
do enjoy. Have a skewer or two.
Ooh.
That's how we grill with grace, guys. I want to thank Tyrone for whipping up the wonderful move with the rhythms.
Yes.
And our Grace jerk provision skewers. Much more to come. We have the sweet endings to come. Vaughnette Bigford, enjoy.
Ooh, nice.
Grilling with Grace comes to you courtesy Grace Jerk Seasonings. Jamming flavor.